What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do an unboxing on the Toyota 4Runner. We actually bought some stuff for it and I'd rather just show you guys how it looks like under this nice little studio lighting. You got 4 of these, so you're probably kind of like wondering, what do you got recently? Well, they're center caps for the Volk Racing T37s that I have on there. So that one's already open, but I want to show you guys the box. It comes in very plain white from Ray's. This is the part number and all the stuff that you need to know. These are the bronze color to match the wheels. But usually if you ever buy center caps authentic from Ray's, they're going to be in this plain white box. Go ahead and open them up. They will come protected most cases. But here are the caps for the wheels. It's kind of bulgy. You can see the grooves inside of that. Definitely helps keep it secured, and the way that you put these in are from the back of the T37. You gotta pop the wheel off, slide it in, and then slap it back on the hub. Inside, regular plastic. For the price you pay for these, I think they're a little bit expensive, but considering the quality, you know, from Ray's and the name and the brand, it makes sense. But it is nice, and bronze is a little shimmery like a satin color, so it's not gonna really line up or match your original finish unless you have some type of ceramic coating like I did, and it'll give it a little sheen. This is, like I said, satin. It's not matte like the OG finish on the T37 Progressives, so there might be a little offset in color if that bothers you. They do make them in gloss black and I think black chrome from what I've seen. But in terms of matte, I think this is the only, or satin, this is the only finish that it comes in. It's really cool. I do like the Rays in there. The little red sticker, I guess you want to call it. I don't know if it's a, yeah, it's probably plastic or some sort. But it's pretty much glued in there. But it has a nice little brushed image on there, so it's clean. I like the red a lot, especially that my car is white. I think it does offset a little bit with the bronze. So we're going to be putting these on. Here are the caps if you guys ever wonder what they look like. Really nice quality, probably injected molded and then painted, so you get an idea. Pretty cool. So this will be going on very soon.